Hi, Namaskar. This is Pratinava here, and I'm today in front of you to announce about my new startup, which is an online e-learning platform. The name of my new startup is Civil EduTech. Yes, a Civil EduTech is an online e-learning platform for all the individuals like a civil engineer and then architects, interior designer, QS means quantity surveyors, RCC structural detailers, and then even it is useful for contractors and civil engineering students and freshers as well. So what is this course all about? This course is an online platform in which all the professionals will be able to learn the skill set that is required to run or to upgrade or to take them to a newer level of in their careers. So basically I won't say that much about uh, all those things. Here I am basically in front of you just to announce that I have launched my new startup. That is an online e-learning platform. So I will be now taking you to my website and we will have a glance at it. Okay, so let us now go to the websites and I will show you what are in store to you. All right.
We are here now at Google. Okay, let us now type www.civilEduTech.com. Okay, after typing this, here in the first line you will find my website. Okay, now we will directly just click enter. It will load, and after that the page will open. All right. Let us wait now. Yeah, so it finally opened, and this is the portal. Okay, so this is the e-learning portal which I launched today. All right, so here you can see the Civil EduTech. Okay, the brand name of my portal. Next, here you can see dashboard. Okay, and that I have login. So here my name, I mean my brand name, can be seen here, Civil EduTech, like that. And you will find home page here, blog, all courses. Okay, whatever the courses that we have, or I mean I have created, it will be available here in this course. Okay, in this pages. Okay, here it will be all pages. Now just let me take you through okay, my website, and then you will see what is there. Okay, so here I have written welcome. Okay, welcoming message and why you should choose us, like that. And here you will have the combo course. Okay, this is the combo course which I have created. Okay, it's a single combo course, I mean, in which there will be lots of courses. All right, so it's written 9 here, but we have 10 courses. Okay, I have updated this one just now, but I forgot to update this one. Okay, no problem. See, you can see here this is number 3. Okay, let me show from the number 1 beginning. At first we will have AutoCAD Plus, in which we will learn all the AutoCAD tools. Okay, basic and advanced command tools, and even 2D and 3D, and then structural designing and services. Okay, all the services, I mean layout and all. Okay, like electrical, plumbing and all. Okay, and next in the second list we have estimation, costing and BOQ. BOQ means bill of quantities. Okay, what are all those things we will see in the class. Now I am not going to explain you all those things and how do you prepare and what we need to keep in mind, what are the things that we need to use. All those things will be discussed during the class. Okay, now here I'm just giving you an overview of my website. Right, so next, quantity surveying, QS. Okay, next is rate analysis. All right, Here, next is bar bending schedule or scheduled, whatever you say. Okay. And next is MS Excel basic. Okay. So MS Excel knowledge is very important for all, even for engineer and all. Okay. Here we will be using this MS Excel for preparing quantity serving, estimation costing, and preparing BOQ billing. Okay. And then making BVS. Okay. It's very important for work automations to prepare BVS in Excel sheet. And then we have at number 7 billing engineer for beginners, 8 tendering basics. Okay, this is a bonus lecture. This will be a bonus lecture. Okay, number 9 site engineering. Okay, and then auto leveling survey. Okay, so these are the total 10 courses which we will have in a single combo courses. Okay, so here you will have buy option. Okay, buy options. Okay, that those things I will explain. Okay, in a different videos. Okay, which we will be doing for marketing course. I mean for marketing the this course. I mean, okay. Next, let us see what are the next upcoming courses that is coming up. Okay, so these are the list that I have listed here. The first one is ETAPS beginners to intermediate level, and next is ETAP advanced, then Start Pro. Okay, and Start Foundation, RCDC, and RC Designers. Okay, it is a very advanced, I mean, course. Okay, complete course for RCC designing. Okay, next we will have SketchUp or Autodesk Revit Architecture, Microsoft projects. Okay, all those things we will see. Okay, whenever times will come. Now next is mobile app. Okay, this is a mobile app in which student can download the apps and then learn on the go anywhere. Okay, so it will be very convenient for them to use the course, I mean to learn the course. Okay, next those things you can see whatever. Okay, whenever you visit, and this is about me. Okay, you can read it whenever you visit the site. This is our technical team. All right, and student evaluations about us, and then address. Okay, now here this button I will just tell you, this is inquiry buttons. Okay, inquiry form I mean, and this is my WhatsApp link. Okay, this icon you can click here and then you will be directly redirected to your WhatsApp and you can message me. All right, so this is it. This is all about my website. You can visit once. Okay, and then you can have a look at it. So I will see you in the next then.
So this is about my new platform, and now I would like to thank some of the gentlemen who have sent me congratulatory message for my new startup. So now let us watch what they have to say about my new startup.
Hello guys, this is Ashutosh from Guwahati, Assam. I am currently working as a structural consultant engineer. Mr. Pratin Rava is taking a great initiative for the civil engineers. Mr. Pratin Rava has a wide variety of knowledge in construction and designing and many more. Guys, please go through his online courses. It's quite interesting and affordable. Congratulations Mr. Pratin ji. God bless you. Thank you. Namaskar.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम आलोक पारिक है और मैं राजस्थान के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में अभी हाल ही में डिज़ाइन इंजीनियर और साइट इंजीनियर के तौर पे कार्यरत हूँ। पहले मैं काठमांडू में था और मैं राभा सर को उनके ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म जो उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग के उद्देश्य से शुरू किया है उनके लिए मैं बधाई देना चाहूँगा। और मैं आप सभी से निवेदन करूँगा कि आप ज़रूर उनके कोर्सेज ट्राई करें। एक बार आप ज़रूर चेक करें कि कोर्सेज में क्या क्वालिटी और क्या कंटेंट है। Thank you so much everyone.
Hi everyone, I am Sanjeev Kumar from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I am working in NPCC Government of India as Assistant Engineer Civil. I have 26 years experience. I am very happy that Mr. Pratin Rava is launching his online e-learning courses for civil engineers. So I like to congratulate him for his new startup and would recommend all the engineers to try these courses. And all the best, Mr. Pratin Rava. Thanking you.
So this is all about my new e-learning platform, and thank you those who have wished me, those who have sent me congratulatory videos, and I am very much thankful to them. And now let me bid adieu to all. Thank you, bye bye, take care.